This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Battery renewal. Pull the bonnet release handle located in the driver's footwell. Raise the bonnet slightly, lift the safety catch and raise the bonnet. It is supported by gas struts. Use a coin to undo the fasteners and remove the battery cover. Slacken the nut and pull the negative lead clamp from the battery terminal. Place the clamp to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. Slacken the nut securing the clamp to the positive terminal post. Lift off the clamp and place it to one side. Unscrew the bolt and remove the battery retaining clamp. Lift up the handles and lift the battery from its location and remove it from the vehicle. Be careful, it's heavy. Remove the battery protector and put it to one side. Locate the new battery on the tray. Be careful not to trap any of the leads or hoses. Refit the battery protector, making sure it fits snugly around the battery. Refit and tighten the battery mounting clamp bolt. Reconnect the positive terminal first, then tighten the clamp nut securely. Followed by the negative terminal, then tighten the clamp nut securely. To help prevent corrosion, smear petroleum jelly on the terminals. Refit and secure the battery cover using a coin to secure the cover fasteners. Lower the bonnet and close it securely.